continue to appreciate Governor Larry Hogan of Maryland for his leadership in a very difficult time of the NGA, and particularly his emphasis on infrastructure, which is what we're talking about today. You know, we've been focused so much over the last 3 or 4 months on this public health emergency, this pandemic, that now I think is a really good time to focus on infrastructure. It is a great way to get more workers back to work, stimulate the economy, and I think everybody can agree on that. The challenge is that many states, and certainly here in Louisiana, our revenue has really fallen so much that it's even more challenging today than it was before to deliver infrastructure projects. And that's why I think partnering with the private sector is so important in those areas where we can do that. And I think we've all been pursuing these public-private partnerships for a long time. Now, we're still going to have to do our traditional things, working with the federal government, whether it's the infra grants, which we were just blessed in Louisiana to get a big one down in Lafourche Parish to allow us to elevate Highway 1, which that services the port that in turn services most of the deep well activity in the Gulf of Mexico. But we're also going to have to look at all of the other funding mechanisms that are available to us. And we know that P3s are not all the same, and not all projects are the same. So they have to be specifically designed and tailored so that they work. We're not where Virginia is. I know that Governor Northam said a while ago they've been doing these for 30 years and they've got $11 billion. But the good news is Louisiana finally is pursuing its very first, and not just pursuing, we're actually implementing the very first public-private partnership on a bridge down in Plaquemines Parish. But I know that we're blessed to have a couple of other wonderful governors with us today on this panel. I'm going to first go to Governor Bullock, and then whenever he finishes with some opening remarks, we're going to go to his neighbor to the south, Governor Mark Gordon from Wyoming.